Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enter recovery mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if your phone is not responding or it just needs a fresh start, then recovery mode can help you get back on the track with the device. So let's walk through this entire process step by step. First things first, when do you actually need the recovery mode? So if your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo not turning on, or if a software update went wrong, then recovery mode might be the solution that you need. It's also useful if your troubleshooting system crashes or a failed restore. So before you start, you need a few things. Except for your iPhone right here, we need a USB-C cable, we need either a computer or a Mac, and depending on the system, you'll need to use different apps to manage the recovery process. So if you're running a Mac OS Catalina or later, you can use the Finder app. So you will just connect your iPhone, open Finder, and you'll see your device listed under locations. And from here you can choose to update or restore. It's much easier on the Mac than on the PC. And on a Windows PC, we need to use the Apple Devices app. So I'll show you how to easily install it. So first, what we have to do, we need to go over here and we need to search for the Microsoft Store. So after you go into the Microsoft Store, we need to search for the Apple devices. So here we have everything. Now we have to search apps, games and more, and here search for Apple devices, and it will be this app right here. I'll go to the search, and here we have the app. It has a 2.1 star review. It has the apps section and utilities and tools. So here, click on install and make sure that you download it on the PC. It might take a while, so I'll see you guys in a second. So as you guys can see, I've got the notification that Apple Devices has been successfully installed on my Windows PC. We're gonna click open, and here click agree to all of the software license agreement. So here click on agree, click on start, and here we have to connect our device. So as you guys can see, mine is already connected, and right here we have it. So all we have to do is click trust right here. Let me quickly scale it so you guys can see it properly. And here all we have to do is just click on trust, and now we need to click on trust on the device. So let's unlock the device, click on trust, and enter the passcodes to trust the computer. As you guys can see, here we have every single information, like our software. We can check for updates, we can restore our iPhone. Here we have the backups, options, and information about our device. So for me, it's a 17 Pro Max with a 2 TB version. Here we have everything like general, music, movies, TV shows, photos, and files. So as you guys can see, we have everything. I do not have these apps installed, but it's not the point of the video. Now, as you guys can see, it's connected, and what you guys need to do now is make sure that you keep your device connected, because now we're entering the recovery mode. So now what you guys need to do is quickly press the release, basically press and release the volume up button and then volume down button. So after that, you need to hold the side button and you need to keep holding it even when the Apple logo appears, and you'll see the recovery mode screen. So I'll do that like that. Here we have the side buttons, so volume up, down, and now we're just holding our power button. I'm not holding those buttons right here. So we need to keep on holding. You may not get it first try, it's normal. So if I don't get it, I won't be surprised. But that's how you guys can do that. So now we just keep on holding the power button. I'm not holding anything else. we can let go of the button once we see the support.apple.com phone restore. And as you guys can see, we are successfully in the recovery mode. So here we have it. Now if you want to keep your data, then choose update. This will reinstall the iOS without erasing your files. And if you need a full reset, then click right here on the restore. This wipes totally everything and installs the latest iOS version. And this basically might take a while depending on your internet speed. But make sure to keep your phone connected until the process completes. And if the update fails, then don't panic, you can still restore the device. But if that does not work, then it's time to try the DFU mode, which stands for device firmware update mode. So as you guys can see, we entered the recovery successfully. We can cancel it out right here, and I'll see you guys in a second once I leave the recovery mode just by holding the power button. It's just a long process. So now it turned on, as you guys can see. We just need to unlock it. And now moving on, we're going into the DFU mode. So all we have to do is press and release volume up and down, then hold the side button until the screen goes black. But once it's black, here's where everything changes. We have to hold both the side button and the volume down button for 5 seconds, and then release the side button on the right side, which is the power button, but keep holding the volume down for 10 more seconds. If the screen stays black and you still get info about your phone on the Apple devices or Finder, then that means you're in the DFU mode. So we're gonna start now. Let's start with the volume up, down, and now power. Now all we have to do is just keep on holding the phone, and once it goes black, we need to hold the volume down. So now I'm holding it, and now I'm letting go of the side one. Here I'm holding the volume down button. If I see an Apple logo, then that means it failed, and I did. So all we have to do is just retry, but it's all about timing. Now our phone is just gonna turn on normally like it would do, and we can try that again and again. So I'll try another one, and if it just doesn't go right, then I'll simply get back to you once I'm in the DFU mode, so I don't take up your guys' time. So again, the volume up, down, and power. Now it's good that we do not see everything like the emergency SOS here and anything else, because that means we failed that already. Now hold the volume down button together for 5 seconds. Now let go of the side button and hold the volume down button only. So as you guys can see, it's totally a different timing. It's pretty hard to get, and the first time I tried it, it was my 11th attempt. So it's pretty normal, and I'll see you guys once I actually enter it. So give me a second. So as you guys can see, I am in the DFU mode. Our computer has detected an iPhone successfully, but we must restore this iPhone before it can be used. So all you have to do is click OK. Then you will restore the iPhone, so you will restore it to the original settings. And this is how you guys can do something a little bit stronger than the recovery mode restore. So only use DFU mode and the restore from the DFU if the recovery mode failed, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.